So, as we all know, more and more people are using ChatGPT and AI search. For businesses, that changes everything. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how we're taking 12 channels to actually rank on AI searches. I'm Brad Smith. I've been doing marketing for 10 years, worked with over 2,500 brands. I share my screen here, break it down so you can learn, and I hope you implement it on your own. Now, the main thing that we're going to look at is the channels that I recommend posting on, but I'm actually going to show you why you need to do it just a little bit different so you build authority. Depending on your type of brand, this is the way to get ranked on AI SEO. Now, did you know that if somebody goes to ChatGPT and they look for something like this, they trust the answer 22% more than they would a Google search because there's no ads here yet. There's not blogs posted everywhere yet. So right now is the hidden opportunity for a business to get ranked and show up here. So what they're going to look for is things like best advertising tutorial for beginners. Now that's usually something somebody would go to Google for in search. So what we want to do is now show up with videos, with podcasts, with our blogs showing authority. And then I'm going to show you a secret trick at the end on how to get your blog right here at the top of search rankings. Now, if you want this full system, comment system down below. Somebody from my team will get you access to this. So what we need is we need to create high converting content for these channels to actually show up. So you've got your website, you've got your YouTube, video shorts, like real Facebook Reels and Instagram Reels. You need to post on Medium, which is a high authority article platform, answer questions in Reddit, Quora, which is similar to Reddit, Pinterest for images, podcasts, Substacks, Google My Business, Facebook posts, Twitter posts, LinkedIn articles, and more. Now, that sounds like a lot, but what we did was we created this software where you just go here, generate content. I'm actually going to, if you check out the YouTube description down below, this is all going to be made from my transcript. Now, you don't have to be making YouTube videos to make this happen. I do recommend recording audio on your phone if you're not going to make YouTube. With the audio file, it's going to take the words you said. Now, AI knows if you create AI generated content versus if you create real authentic content. That's why you need to speak out of your mouth with your wisdom, with your education, with your value that you are the expert in, whether it's through audio or on video, to actually create that high converting piece of content. And then you can just copy and paste it everywhere. So this is what we do. We head over to YouTube, grab the transcription, but we also made it easy for you to, all you have to do is copy the YouTube video. And what it'll do is actually pull out that transcription and create the content for you. Then you go ahead and put your topic in here, and then you base it on how you want to speak, how long you want it to be. So as an example, I want my YouTube description to be about 2,000 words long. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to start generating that. Now, of course, I want this to be the same title as my video here. And then we're going to start rocking and rolling with the content. Now, while that's creating content, what I want to show you is if I head over to Google, I'm going to see, I'm looking for best advertising tutorial. Google owns YouTube. So right here at the top, they're showing my YouTube video. That's going to be your highest piece of content. AI search results trust YouTube and videos more than anything because it's real and authentic content. Now, if it's made with AI, they're going to know, so it's not as good. Next, what I do is I link it back to the blog post. This is easy. Most of you have websites. You can have a virtual assistant do it. You can have a friend do it. You can do it yourself. But what you want to do is add an update AI summary at the top because people want those answers quick. You want to put in those common questions somebody searches for on AI, ChatGPT, or Google and answer them. This is what ChatGPT, Perplexity, and Grok are actually pulling from. You're going to answer those questions, then embed that YouTube video. Hopefully you're doing YouTube, and then write the blog post that's helpful. Now this blog post needs to be from those words you said. And if we head over here, here's my exact YouTube description I'm going to post below. It's going to come from the exact words that I said in the video. So the description down below this video from what I'm saying right now. So maybe you'll see this. All right, cool. And then you want to start copying and pasting that into all these channels. Now, the ones I would start with are the blog, because that way you can post it back. And then next one you'd want to do is YouTube. You want to start doing some reels and shorts, but I highly recommend Reddit. Start answering questions and posting on Reddit, and Google My Business. So that's a listing on Google My Business. I'm going to do a search here and show you what that looks like. And then you're going to see, because what it does, it'll start seeing your Google reviews. So you can see we have over 50 5-star Google reviews. So AI actually sees this, pays attention to this, and trusts it. And then what you can do is you can go and leave a post and you can create that content. You can see we've been posting content here, and what that does is it helps you rank even more. And then from there, you want to just continue posting helpful value. Now, quick tip, when you come here, you want to make sure you always put your author name and your company name with a link. What I like to do is I like to link back to my X profile because that's a really trusted backlink authority source here. And I like to link back to our website. That way it can trust that it's company website published by an author that is all over the internet. That's what you want to do. Even if you're the one not writing the article, you want to link your name and your company. And that's what authority is going to bring across all the networks. Now, a cool secret one that I promise you I'd tell you at the end are podcasts. So podcasts, creating audio, even if you don't have a whole show, and even if you're not making YouTube videos, you can still create audio on your phone, literally talk on the treadmill and enhance your voice, and then get that added to a podcast player. We use Spotify. It's called Spotify Creator. You can come in here and you can create podcasts that you can go play and they get distributed everywhere. And you can see right in here that you're going to be able to take that podcast script and get that published everywhere. Now that is a super high authority platform that is ranking on AI SEO. So I'd love to hear more about you and your brand. Comment your website link down below. What we'll do is we'll head over to our site and we'll build you a custom bot so you can see what that looks like. This bot will create all the content for you. It'll learn from you and it'll help you create these posts so you can save time and actually do it with the right words, the words you say, the real authentic words. If this video brought you any value, it'd be awesome if you subscribe to my channel here on YouTube. And if you want to learn more about this AI stuff, you can check out the playlist over here. And of course, reach out to me or my team to create your AI bot so you can start automating this. I'll make sure that link is down below. Thanks again for watching, and I hope to see you on my next video.